Buenos días, clase. I'm not here today, obviously, and so I have an activity that you're going to do today with the vocabulary you're learning, and so I want to show you how to do this. All right, so this is called fan vocabulary. What you're going to start out doing is writing in this first column here, you're going to write the Spanish words that you have on your list, on your other piece of paper. Go down and write all the Spanish words here, and if you have more than you have some on the back too to do there. So in this first column, you write all the Spanish. Make sure you spell them correctly, because if you spell them incorrectly, you're going to learn them incorrectly. All right, once you're finished with all the Spanish words in this column, then translate the words into English in the second column, okay? And do that for all of them if you have several in the back. Once you get done with these first two columns, then you're going to take this first column and you're going to fold it back on that line, okay? And then that is going to reveal, now you're just going to see the English, all right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take those words, because you already have the English here, you're going to translate them back into Spanish in this middle column right here, okay? You're going to do that for all of them on both sides. Now you need to try to do this without looking. You need to do the ones you know first without looking, and then if you have to go back and look, then you have to do that. But then once you complete all the words, all the Spanish words in that column, then you're going to flip this back this direction, and now what you'll see is the original Spanish that you wrote there, okay? And then this will be blank, and then what you do now is you're going from Spanish into English here, okay? Fill out all the words, same thing, do what you know first, and then the ones you don't know at that point, if you have to look back, then you have to do that. Make sure you're spelling these correctly every time. All right, once you finish all the Spanish in that column, then you're gonna flip back again, okay, fold it back, and that's gonna just reveal the English that you just wrote. Then you're gonna now take the English and translate it back into Spanish in this column right here, okay? And so it kind of looks like a fan when you do it. It looks like a fan, that's why we call it fan vocabulary. But if you do this correctly each time, then what you've done essentially is you've written the Spanish words 3 times. You've done in this column, middle column, and this column, and that helps you learn these words to spell them. It only takes maybe 15-20 minutes to do it, but it actually helps you learn these words and also learn how to spell them. All right, thank you.